and welcome to CDO Magazine interview series. I'm Nayla Sidhoum with Ahead. Today, I have the pleasure of speaking with Amit Parulekar. He is the Director of Global Advanced Analytics and AI Strategy for Brown-Forman. Can you talk to us a little bit about how Brown-Forman is thinking about building out the AI strategy?
Absolutely. So AI is not new to Brown-Forman or to other companies as well. We have called People have called it AI in a different ways, whether it was decision support systems or something else. So for us, the proposed strategy that we have is three distinct and iterative stages. First is observing and describing, which involves a complete and comprehensive understanding of how AI is being used, what kind of capabilities the AI systems have, assessing those AI systems and their components for risk through building a very robust AI systems in repository. The second stage of our strategy is discovery stage, where we have been thoroughly assessing and identifying those new use cases through new product discovery framework, through risk assessment framework. And then this, in terms of discovery, the success of discovery kind of hinges on knowing and creating the shared awareness amongst business as well as IT. What AI means, what are the potential limitations of AI, as well as potential opportunities that AI may present. So in order to do that, we are continuously doing AI awareness sessions. We are continuously evolving our AI risk and governance framework. And then once we identify those use cases, the last stage of this strategy is building and scaling. Once we decide on what use case to pursue, then how do we build the AI? How do we manage the AI through responsible AI lifecycle, but also having human in the loop, right, to mitigate the risk and address issues such as data drift or concept drift. So to summarize, we have three distinct stages. One is, observing and describing, knowing AI, how AI is being used, then discovering of those use cases, and then building and scaling, where we are building new use cases and then scaling across the enterprise.
So pivoting right over to those use cases, how is Brown-Forman currently managing the use cases and all the potential ideas around AI and machine learning?
We have kind of adopted, in terms of getting the use cases, we have adopted two-prong approach. One is allowing use cases to organically evolve, and second is discovering new use cases through AI awareness program. We have meticulously created a diverse portfolio of AI projects through a responsible AI innovation framework. We are balancing between the quick wins and long-term initiatives. The advantages of doing the quick wins project is exposing the business users to the power of AI, making sure the AI use cases are aligned with the overall business strategy. So the two-prong approach, as I said, has helped us in evolving our journey, and the long-term commitment where we are buying things off the shelf shows that we are dedicated to driving sustainable innovation, commitment to investment, and pushing the boundaries of AI. So what we have been doing is kind of selecting a balance between the quick win initiatives that are models that are built in-house for optimization of processes for decision making, but we're also trying a combination of applied AI, which is commercial off-the-shelf AI, to maintain that healthy balance. So to summarize, we are accelerating and investing for rapid implementation where necessary, piloting and testing new technologies such as generative AI through responsible AI innovation framework, and then judiciously assessing and identifying use cases based on its merit and its internal and external risk.
Great. What is the Brown-Forman's plan, or how do you guys currently plan on digitally upskilling to support all of these plans and a lot of what we've already spoken about?
Yeah, I think that's a very good question. I think when we think of AI, there's a talent that is needed to build, support, and sustain. So to create this digitally upscale or our business as well as data science team, we have kind of created two pathways. One is upskilling pathway. This is for existing data scientists to upskill their data knowledge, their knowledge of data science skill sets, AI engineering. Upskilling is, as you can, is an ongoing process, and it is essential to data scientists to keep up with all these evolving technologies, evolving, stay ahead of the curve. So this pathway has really helped us and the data science team in knowing about what are those popular AI frameworks, what are those new programming languages, and then how do we utilize that framework in the Brown-Forman setting. The second pathway is where we are training the business users. It is to create analytic ambassadors in each business area. This is more of an immersive program designed to empower business professionals from very different background. They have non-data science background, and we have established office hours. We have created AI awareness workshop, and business users can attend those office hours, can attend those AI workshop, where we deep dive into the foundational concepts of AI. And this pathway has really helped the business leaders with, giving them a high level overview of what data science and AI concepts are, and then kind of discovering of those new use cases where these analytic tools and AI principles can be applied in their business areas. So we have created two pathways. One is for the data science to go more technical and deeper into the AI. And the second pathway is for the business users in terms of knowing the powers of AI, knowing the limitations of AI, and how can they potentially apply AI in their business setting.
Great. There is a talent war for people with AI and ML skills. How is Brown-Forman combating that? Are we trying to hire, upskill, or do both?
So at Brown-Forman, we pride ourselves on people-focused company, people-focused organization. And as such, we understand the importance of investing in our employees' growth and development. So to reinforce the commitment to our talent, we have taken multiple steps. First is we have ensured that there's a designated training budget. As I mentioned, upskilling before. There's a designated training budget that is allocated to our data science engineering team that allows them the flexibility to attend those conferences, take advantages of the different training opportunities out there, and then grow as a profession, grow as an AI engineer. We have also, to fill in those gaps in resources, we also have established strategic partners with various talent providers where we aim to augment and scale up or scale down our resources as required by specific initiative. So this has really helped us not only to foster our partnership with those vendors, but also addressing the demands of the project. As the demand grow, we are able to bring in a new resource as needed. So we are taking a two-pronged approach. One is investing in continuous learning and finding those new avenues for talent acquisition, but we also creating an environment for our existing data science talent to grow and learn, but we also maintaining the balance where they can contribute and achieve long-term success.
That's wonderful. Last question for you today. Overall, do you think that AI and ML will help Brown-Forman against your competition or potentially hurt you?
Absolutely. So that's a great question. So Brown-Forman is a spirits company. We make distilled spirits. Mm-hmm. So I can speak from the point of view of distilled spirits. The spirits industry in general has a rich history, tradition, processes, and it is very people-focused. It is based on relationship. So one of the critical ingredients for AI success of the AI initiative is cross-collaboration. The key to success is to create that culture, which is, we are taking the benefit of this relationship-based organization where we are making sure that we cross-collaborate on different things, share knowledge among different people, and create that enthusiasm about the potential of AI. So when I think of distilled spirit, there's a big opportunity from all the way from grain to glass, where AI can be applied in practically every area of the company. There are two significant areas there where AI can definitely benefit. One is creating a completely new product, and the second is transforming operation to becoming more efficient and effective. In the first category, I can think of AI can be a catalyst for innovation, enabling the creation of new products, new experiences for the consumer. And in the second category, AI can completely transform operation to enhance productivity, efficiency of the workers. So we have applied AI in different settings, such as optimizing supply chain, logistics, predicting the consumer preferences, fine-tuning of production processes. So I can think of multiple ways AI can be utilized in transforming operations and making them more efficient and effective. So definitely, AI can be a game changer in this role, in this industry, and it has a dual role in terms of innovation and operational enhancement. But I think we have to be cautious about how we apply AI in this industry, but by making sure that we have the right kind of technology, we invest in the right things. This industry can make operations more efficient. AI can make the operations more efficient, and not only improve the productivity, but also experience of our employees and customer, and make this industry more agile and competitive.
Yep, absolutely. Well, that wraps up for today. So thank you, Amit Parulekar, for joining me today. Please visit cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.